So guys, now let's understand about else clause in loops. So first look at that we have this particular for loop, and here we have with this for loop this else clause also with it. So they both makes a part of a same context. So the whole logic behind this else clause is that this else clause will run if a loop completes all of its iteration. That means it does not meet with any break keyword. So let's see with the line by line execution that how does that happen. So let me start my code execution with the line by line manner. So so our for loop has completed our first iteration and it has printed 1, then second iteration, then third iteration. Now our for loop has completed all the iteration. Now do you see, now we have gone inside in this else block because we have completed all the iteration without any break keyword. Then we printed out this completed all iteration without break, and then we came out from the for loop and then we print after for loop. So it's really too easy to understand, right? Now let's put a break keyword inside in this for loop. So let's say if I equal to 2, then it will meet with a break condition over here. Again, let me restart the code and let me clear the output. Now let's see what will happen when we have this break condition also inside in this else loop. So we completed our first iteration. Now we have gone for the second iteration, but in the second iteration we are passing this if condition and we are meeting this break keyword. So now look at very carefully now what will happen. So do you see, we not only exited out for loop but also with its else clause also we immediately exited out whole of this context, and then we print after for loop. So this is what the whole logic about this else clause with loops, and same will happen in a while loop also. So if you look at right now, let me restart it, let me clear the output. So for now, and again let me run the code line by line. Again over here we are not meeting any break clause in this while loop, so we will run this else clause, right? But again if there will be a break inside in this, so let's say if x equal to 2, then it will be exited out from the, so let's say me print it out, let's say print out of loop. Now let me run the code line by line again. 0 1, and now we have met this break keyword. The moment we have met this break keyword, we exited out this while loop and with it with this else clause also, then print out of loop. So I hope this gives you pretty good clarity that what does this else clause do in a loop. So thanks guys, and I hope you have learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and continue watching the different videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.